Using the Daikin US7 controller is easy. Its user-friendly functions enhance your home comfort so you can enjoy the Daikin lifestyle. To select a specific operation mode, press one of the following modes. The Auto button automatically selects the appropriate operating mode based on the room's condition at regular intervals. Press to activate. To cool the room, press the Cool button. Use the Temperature button arrows to select the desired room temperature. Dry cooling mode cools and lowers the humidity in the room. While in cool mode, press the down arrow on the humidity button and select the dehumidification strength from low, standard, high, or continuous. A moisturizing setting that maintains high humidity to prevent dryness is also available. To lower the humidity in the room only, press the Dry button and use the Humidity button to select the dehumidification strength from low, standard, high, or continuous. To heat the room, press the Heat button. Use the Temperature button arrows to select your desired room temperature. Humid heating mode heats and increases the humidity in the room. While in heat mode, press the up arrow on the Humidity button and select humidification strength from low, standard, high, or continuous. The moisturizing setting is also available here. To raise the humidity in the room only, press the Humidify button while the unit is not operating in heating and select a humidification strength from low, standard, high, or continuous. To operate the fan only, press the Fan Only button located under the flip-down panel of the remote. To stop any operation, press the Off button. To adjust the airflow rate during an operation mode, press the Fan button, which controls the speed of the fan. To adjust the speed, simply press and select a speed ranging from low to high, or select Auto to let the indoor unit automatically optimize the fan speed based on your room conditions. When the fan is set to Indoor Unit Quiet Operation mode, the airflow rate is set to a weak level, which further reduces the operational noise of the indoor unit. To purify the air in the room, press the Clean/Fresh button, which toggles through 3 different setting options. Clean On activates the Flash Streamer discharge. The Flash Streamer discharge will decompose mold and allergens to clean the air in the room. Fresh On activates fresh air ventilation by supplying filtered air from the outside into the room. Pressing the Clean/Fresh button again increases the fresh air ventilation to a high airflow rate. Finally, to activate the Flash Streamer discharge without providing fresh air supply ventilation, select Clean On and Fresh Off. To cancel these settings, press Clean/Fresh and set the operations to Clean Off and Fresh Off. Under the panel of the controller, there are many more functions. Simply flip the panel down to access. The airflow direction can be changed both vertically and horizontally. To change the vertical airflow direction in the chosen mode, press the Vertical Airflow button. Each time the button is pressed, the airflow indicator changes. Select from Auto. Automatically chooses the best settings based on the operation mode being used. Circulation. Circulates the air in the whole room to eliminate temperature variations. Breeze. Randomly varies airflow and vertical airflow direction to simulate the sensation of a natural breeze. Setting an airflow level ranging from 1 to 6 allows you to adjust a static vertical airflow direction to suit your needs. And Swinging adjusts the vertical airflow direction to continuously swing in the full range. To change the horizontal airflow direction in the chosen mode, press the Horizontal Airflow button. Each time the button is pressed, the airflow indicator changes. Select from a wide range of horizontal position options, including Auto, Wide Airflow, 7 static airflow directions from left to right, and Swinging. When the horizontal airflow is set to Auto, the Intelligent Eye sensor is activated. This sensor detects where occupants in the room are and directs airflow away from that person. If you set both the vertical and horizontal airflow to Swinging, a 3D airflow is created. The 3D airflow alternates between vertical and horizontal airflow, preventing hot or cold areas from developing. To activate the Intelligent Eye function, press the Sensor button and select the preferred setting. When set to Intelligent Eye On, the Intelligent Eye sensor can detect human movement in a room and will automatically change the airflow direction to provide draft-free comfort or direct airflow towards occupants in the room. When set to auto off on, if no movement is detected for a period of 20 minutes, the unit will automatically enable energy-saving operations for 1 hour before completely stopping operations. To operate both the Intelligent Eye and Auto Off function, set to both on. To turn off both these functions, set to both off. Press Econo/Quiet button and select the desired mode. Each press of the button toggles a different setting option. Econo mode enables the unit to operate efficiently by limiting the unit's power consumption. It's useful when you're using the air conditioner and other electrical devices simultaneously on a shared electrical circuit. The outdoor unit quiet operation lowers the noise operation of the outdoor unit and is useful at night or when you don't want to disturb your neighbours. Combination of both Econo and outdoor unit quiet operation together. To turn off both these functions, set to both off. The Powerful Operation button boosts power to maximum capacity for a 20-minute duration to heat or cool the room quickly. To use this function, press to activate. Keeping the inside of the air conditioner dry reduces the production of mold and bad odours. In most operational modes, condensation may occur inside the unit and can cause mold or bad odours to develop. It is recommended to dry the inside of the unit by using the mold-proof operation. To activate mold-proof, simply press the mold button for 2 seconds during operation, and a curved arrow icon will appear on the screen. This operation will automatically dry the inside of the unit after operation is stopped. To manually activate mold-proof whilst the unit is not operating, press mold for 2 seconds and mold-proof will appear on the screen. The operation will stop automatically after 100 minutes. To cancel mold-proof, press the mold button for 2 seconds and the curved arrow icon will disappear from the screen. To stop mold-proof during operation, press the off button. To clean the filter inside the unit, press the filter button and a 2-cross star icon will appear on the screen. When activated, the air filter will automatically be cleaned according to the operating hours, about once a day. To manually operate the filter cleaning function when the unit is not operating, press the filter button. The filter cleaning operation will take up to 11 minutes and automatically turn off when complete. To cancel, press filter and the 2-cross star icon will disappear on the screen. To stop filter cleaning during operation, press the off button. To set a time for when the unit turns on or off, press timer. Using the arrow buttons, select 24-hour on timer to set a time for the unit to automatically turn on, or 24-hour off timer to set a time for the unit to automatically turn off. Then press apply. To operate the timer only once, select on timer. To operate the timer daily, select daily on timer. Using the arrow buttons, set the desired start or stop time. To complete, press apply. To change or cancel the settings, press timer, then select either the 24-hour on timer or 24-hour off timer. Using the arrow buttons, select the timer to be changed, then press apply. Press the arrow buttons to select timer cancel and press apply. Comfort Sleep Timer operation keeps the indoor temperature and humidity at suitable levels for a comfortable sleep and refreshing morning. To activate, press timer during cooling or heating operation. Press the arrow buttons to select See Sleep Timer, then press apply. Use the arrow buttons to set a wake-up time, then press apply to complete. The Quick Heating Timer operation blows extra warm air for 30 minutes at your desired set time, best used for starting your cold winter mornings. To activate, press timer. Using the arrow buttons, select Quick Heat Timer, then press apply. Using arrow buttons again, set the time, then press apply to complete. To change or cancel the settings, press timer, then select Quick Heat Timer, followed by apply. Using the arrow buttons, choose between setting change or timer cancel, then press apply. To stop during operation, press the off button. To quickly select a countdown timer to turn the unit off, press the off timer button, located on the front panel. The time can be set in increments of 30 minutes each time the button is pressed. To cancel, press the off timer button and continue pressing until the setting is cancelled. To check status information such as temperatures and power consumption, direct the remote controller towards the indoor unit and press the info button for 2 seconds. until a signal is received. Each time the Info button is pressed, the information changes. For more detailed information, please consult your manual or contact our customer service line on 1300 368 300.